Alrighty everyone, welcome back to Young Wealth Creation. Today I'm going to be talking about Sysco and whether or not I think it's a stock buy for May of 2020. Please remember though that I am not a finance professional and nothing I say in this video should be relied upon as the basis for financial decisions. So as you all probably know, some states are beginning to open back up again across the country. This is great news for investors and the economy as a whole, assuming it doesn't make virus cases worse. So this New York Times article shows a really interesting map of the states that have partially opened up and are in the process of opening up, as well as those that are still closed. As I just mentioned, this is great news for investors because it probably means a general increase in economic activity, but those who want to make bigger financial gains from this process need to look a little bit deeper. So whether or not Sysco is going to be a good stock pick for the month of May obviously depends on our decision to begin partially reopening the country, and I'm assuming that this slight economic stimulus will push a few certain industries. So obviously one of the hardest hit industries in the economic fallout was restaurants, especially small and family-owned establishments. Although some of these places were doing their best to supply takeout and delivery, they still lost the majority of their business. At the same time, people who have been stuck at home have been craving something different. They don't want to cook for themselves anymore, and they need a different dining experience. That being said, when we take a look at this map from the New York Times that I mentioned earlier, we're starting to see states open up restaurants. We've got Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Iowa, Kansas, Maine, and so on. Okay, so this seems like a great investment opportunity, but since mom and pop restaurants aren't public, you have to go about investing in this process in a different way. And this is where Sysco comes in. So for those of you who don't know, Sysco is a food and kitchen supply distributing company, and although there are a few other ways to invest in the inevitable return of the restaurant business, I think this is one of the best ones. According to Medium.com, Sysco has one of the most diversified product bases in the industry. They distribute fresh and frozen meats, canned and dry products, frozen fruits, vegetables, bakery goods, dairy products, poultry. You get the point. With such a wide base, they're able to step into a place to help nearly any restaurant that is trying to come back online. They also provide menu and service analysis to further aid with restaurant success. So Sysco actually just put out its earnings a few days ago and missed its projected Zacks estimate by 8 cents. This drove the stock price down, and in my eyes, this large of a discrepancy between estimated EPS and actual EPS doesn't warrant how low the current share price is. According to Zacks, the food and miscellaneous industry is outperforming 89% of all other industries, and my expectation is that this will continue to hold true as restaurants start to come back. Sysco also sports a 3.41% dividend yield, which doesn't hurt the prospect of making this investment. In short, I think it's a really undervalued company, and that's why I'm going to be buying some of its stock today. Alrighty, so here we are on the Robinhood website where I've just put my money where my mouth is. I'm hoping to start doing a little bit more live investing in my videos and trying to keep you guys as updated as I can on my portfolio. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a ton of fun to make. I'm hoping to really start to grow the community on this channel into one where not only I can make videos, but everyone here can learn from each other and help each other make smart financial decisions. I'm super excited about where this channel has the potential to go, but for now, I'm going to sign off. Thank you to all of you who stuck around till the end. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.